Welcome to the video everybody. Today we are putting on a Turbosmart BOV valve onto the ST180. This was not an easy install, as you'll soon see, but anyway we got it in the end. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoy. Right guys, so with the wheel off you'll be greeted with this sight, right? Now, your auxiliary belt cover needs to come off, show you how to do that now, and your hot side boost pipe here needs to come off. Aux belt cover, screw, and screw, just comes right out. Your screw was once a Torx bit, but yeah, they'll probably be rusted like mine, so flathead it is. Next up, hot side boost pipe. So I'm taking this one off here. It's a 7mm. One more up at the turbo side. Next bolt for the hot side boost pipe is this one here. Again, 7. Just get your wee ratchet in, and then we're going to just give it a wee tug. There you go. There is your hot side boost pipe out. That's your access to the valve. Now, this is where I had some trouble. So, last week we were in here, this is how far we got, just like I've showed you there. And I go to put my 5mm Allen key in. It just slips. Try the next bolt, slips. Try the next bolt, nothing, absolutely nothing. Now, it was like that, that's where it was like so round, right? What I did next was I tried to hammer in an extension with a bigger bit through the wheel well. Nope, no purchase at all. Tried to go a socket over the top of the bolt. Nope, nothing at all. Tried for a total of 28 hours last week after work and here, 28 hours. It was like, honestly, I tried everything you could imagine, everything. So, didn't work. So I phoned a real man, neighbour, Davey. Davey is a welder, he's a legend, and he hadn't actually seen it. I went up and chapped his door and I said, can you weld a bolt onto a bolt? I no bother. And so, sure, you know, you've not seen the size of it yet. No bother. So I went up last night, and this is how it went. Once the bolts are welded out, oh, amazing. But they putting them back in with an actual Allen key, easy. Didn't even have to use an extension or nothing. Just got a good set of Allen keys. That is the biggest thing you need for this job, right? The absolute back. Don't use shitey ones. Get a proper set. A 5mm, no bother. I've got a clip. I'm sure I've probably already seen it, but I got a clip here. No bother. So you've got the two bolts on the one side, you can see they're easy. The one at the top you've got to do it with feel, but I actually found that it was quite easy to, if you go through the wheel well, right, if you've got a hand in this gap here and then you're going through here with the Allen key, you can just guide it in. As long as you've got the bolt started, you're golden, absolutely golden. So now guys, if you look through there she is. New bolts. The bolts are M6 thing with socket caps. That's it. You've also got a wee solenoid that you need to put in. I've got mine kind of cable tied on up there. You can't really see it, but the old blow-off valve is obviously, it's got a sensor going straight into it. So you put your Turbosmart solenoid in so that you, I don't really know why, but you put it in where it used to go into the stock diverter valve. Right, so let's head up to the bonnet and get the boost tap in. So I'll take this off. There you're there. Basically, that's your map sensor. That sits down there. This is your boost tap, and then the line goes through there, round and down the back into the valve. It's also got a wee plug there for putting in, well, it's for another accessory. I'm going to use it to put in a boost gauge so we know we're boosting alright. I had one on my my red Fiesta, but it wasn't turbo, it was just to look nice, so stick that one in there since we're good to go. And that's it. So what we'll do now is I will put my boost pipe and my cover back in my wheel, and we'll go for a sound test. Right guys, let's see how it goes. So, out the unit now. Let's work ours up to temp. Let's do a wee rev. Can hear it a little bit. I feel I might have it set a wee bit too hard, so maybe we need to set it, you know, a bit softer. Okay, I can start to hear it a wee touch. Oh my god. At 3000. I don't know if you'll just be getting road noise. If you are, I'll put a mic clip over the top for you. Filthy, filthy, oof. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely bloody gorgeous. Right, get into a little bit of a faster speed limit here. Let's see. Can you guys hear that? Love it. My vision is coming to life. Oh, all we need now on this bad boy is an exhaust. Lovely, my childhood vision has came to life. Rightio. Filthy. Filthy. Oh, fucking Zafira's ruined all my fun. Oh my god, she's pulling a train. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Well guys, I think that's a win. I know it took us a wee while. We had to go and get help with Davey. Legend, thank you again Davey. But oh, I think it's worth it, Again, I think it is probably a little bit too hard, so I'll back that off a bit, see if I can get it perfect. But aye, I'm happy. Hope you guys are happy. I know it's a bit of a backwards install today, because, you know, I'd already put it on. It was a weird one, but I hope this, you know, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Also, Mark 6 ST is coming back, I promise. It's just, you know, so much fun with this Mark 7. But anyway, see you next week guys. Thank you very much for watching.